What's up, my beautiful people? Good morning. Welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. My people, me have to show you this. However, first me go say, remember, like, share, comment on this video. Yeah. Like this video. Yeah. Share this video. My people, you not see me yet. But look over upon the side there and look upon the topic. Look, it says Walking TV and Professor Bingy from a different angle. My viewers and subscribers, from Unua watch Professor Bingy and from Unua watch Walking TV. None of you ever see that before? No. You never see that before, because that never happened. Listen to what me I say to you right now. When Professor Bingy go at the event them, you see him a drive to the event. When him reach the event, you know see him a show you no video of that event until him a leave the event, because the rules was that he cannot do any video that the Walking TV is doing. No for you never know that. Me I tell you that. Right now, me never did want to say nothing before. But now me I tell you one of the reasons why you never see Professor Bingy a video when Walking TV a video. Somebody else could have hold the camera for Professor Bingy, you know, but that was the rule. The rule was he cannot video while Walking TV was videoing. And people, me not just say that because me a talk out of my mouth. Me I say that because a reality, me have receipts for that too. If you don't want it, me can give you to, or me can give you, but me have to check first before me give you that receipt. But look at this. Story come to bump. Yes, this is good. Me like this. Hold on a little bit. People, go over to Bingy channel and look, watch all the Bingy videos them and tell me when you see a video where Bingy make, when you see Drizzy Burke stand up in a it like that. You never see it. You never see it. And it's good to see that. There is a changes, people. There is a changes. My people, it look like, me no know. It look like Drizzy Burke a listen. The bashing and all of the bashing. And me feel good about this. Yes, me feel good about this when me I say right here, so. It nice. Me like it. Me wish it continue. Viewers and subscribers, me I try to show you all of the things we are going in this video. If you look over upon your right hand side, which are your left, yeah, your right hand side, sit down. That's Drizzy Burke. Sit down right there, so. Drizzy Burke not there behind the camera. Yeah? Drizzy Burke not there behind the camera. Bingy there behind the camera. This is a good look. People, me bash Drizzy Burke. Me talk about things where him do. Me talk about things where him should have do. So when me see him do good something, me go talk about it too. This is a good look, Drizzy Burke. Any which part you there? If you are listening to this video, if you are watch it, this is a good look. And me I wonder what make you never do this long time, you and Bingy General. So to all of the people out there, we feel say we are bash Drizzy Burke. See it there? We are talk about Drizzy Burke and see the Drizzy Burke and Bingy and make changes. Sometimes that's all you need, you know. You just need somebody to say something to you know. Go and watch a little bit of the video.
My blood. What we are do?
I do.
We are do.
I do all team and I do.
Mr. Boy, you are do. Don't make it much enough. Don't make it much enough. That me I tell you. Make it much, man. Don't make that much, man. That me I show.
My people, Johnny Nice, But you can see Bingy, I laugh and I feel nice. Me like that. Nah, tell a lie, me like that. Me people, me I tell you the truth. I know for me channel. I know for me channel, and me I tell you the truth, say me feel so good. See Drizzy Burke there again, with him camera in him hand. Bingy a video. Normally you would see everybody else and hear Drizzy voice. Now, isn't this a good look? If you see a different kind of vibes and watching the video from a different angle, knowing say Drizzy a take part in the video and then Drizzy go do fit in video. Check this out. You may not see a video from Drizzy. Me no know. But this is a collaboration right here, so Drizzy may take film part and then add up the whole thing. Take the part, because listen now, if Drizzy do for him side, take this part and match up film side, because Drizzy is a better editor than Professor Bingy. You know how good that video go look. Then when you watch this one and then when you watch the next one, you see some vibes. People, cuss we all don't want, but we make this happen. Yeah, cuss we all don't want, and we make that happen. Watch the video.
Waking up dizzy in the morning. We fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want you to live, darling. It's my only home. Can't you see our time is up? I don't want to start over.
My people, see the part of the video where me really appreciate it. Drizzy, I take part in the video. Me like it. Me really like it.
I never had it so good. Without your love, I know waking up dizzy in the morning. We fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want you to live, darling.
I love me, I love me, I love you,
I tell her to sing for the girls, brother. We know say you love Bingy, but sing for the girls. Sing for the girls.
baby, lost in no one,
Quite happy. Quite happy. Quite happy.
Anyway, my people, anytime I watch Walking TV or Professor Bingy, me have to laugh, because to be honest, a whole heap of fun over there. Them vibes, they're nice, them a do them thing, but me feel so nice. Walking TV and Professor Bingy from a different angle. Remember me tell you, nice, me love it. Me really love it and appreciate it. So remember me people, go over there, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, tell them how you think. Yeah man, tell them how you think. Cause me go do the same thing, me go tell them what me think about the video, and me go tell them if you keep on doing it and do it some more. Anyway, my people, peace and love. And remember, if you don't have anything good to say, no say nothing. Peace. I'm out. Enough respect.